Bitch, gang, I be putting her hands all the way behind her back. I be diving when I be diving, she be dick.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Leon. I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm back with another one. So, as y'all know, we out to eat today. I don't know where we at, but we out to eat today. We got Carolina crabs and got my two special guests.
Hey.
Mama, say hey. Mama, say hey. Mama. Act like she can't speak, but so without further ado, let's get to the video. So y'all, take this out the bag.
Hey. This looks like some chocolate. I don't know what it's from.
Tell them I said hey. Hey.
Why is this cat so much? Why is sweating so much?
You calling her daddy. When you doing sweat, when you been doing?
Who you with?
When you with?
Woo. Hey.
Yeah.
You wanna watch me eat? Wanna watch me eat?
This is everybody's bro. I'm trying to pull this down.
My sister and my mama.
Mukbang.
They all go.
Hotel.
That butter?
Oh, me. This butter?
Yes, ma'am. We got some. Oh. What's this? Jordan.
I'm about to eat half of this. Damn, I'm about to call my cousin back, so I'll get back to y'all when I finish. So, y'all gonna watch me eat half of this? I just did the same thing. Y'all gonna watch me eat half of this, and then I'm gonna call my cousin back. So, yeah, this junk hot. It's a fork. I need a fork. It's a fork. They got forks. Why you look different with eyelashes? She look pretty too. Mommy said yesterday while I was laying with her, she said she feel like she not pretty no more.
I'm gonna slap you.
Why would you say that?
It's hot, boy.
Oh no.
No, it burning me.
But we ain't got to rush it. That's it.
I'm not rushing, but that's not good. Yep.
You ain't got to taste it.
Butter?
It needs salt.
Oh, the sauce at the bottom.
Oh shoot.
Stop, boy.
Hey, look, the sauce at the bottom of
I
here.
see it.
Hey, yo, the sauce at the bottom of here.
Hold on.
You can eat your fries.
She said only 2 sauces, you 3. You see the egg?
I'm gonna get back to y'all in a few. In the video. Make sure y'all like, comment.
No,
Sorry, I'm just playing. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
It's
On
like,
my
kids got
forehead.
certain days they
Hold
go.
on, let me call you right back.